Hi traders, I've been trading the Waka Waka Expert Advisor for 4 months now with fantastic results. This is my own personal trading account. This is a real account on the Go Markets Plus server, and this has been going for 4 months now, approximately 121 days. This account started at $500 and it's up at about $700 now, so about 42% return or about 8.9% per month. The Waka Waka EA trades 3 currency pairs, the Aussie CAD, Aussie New Zealand and New Zealand CAD. Let's take a look at some of my account statistics. You can see here the average win is about just under $3 and the average loss is bigger at $4.42. The reason that this account is still positive is because of the win rate, which is above 70%. This chart is why I prefer FX Blue over my FX book. It is slightly more accurate, though not that accurate in terms of showing drawdown and floating profit and loss. So according to this chart, you can see that the maximum worst case scenario that I've seen in the past 4 months of trading at 0.01 lot size is about $150 drawdown way back when I first started it. More recently, you can see the drawdown has been not too bad at about looks like $100 back in April. And most recently in the past month of May, the drawdowns have been quite manageable and small. I'm honestly not sure how accurate this is because there have been some big open trades recently, and according to this chart there wasn't much drawdown. Looks like about $50 in the past week or so. This is the vendor's public my FX book for the Waka Waka EA. This one is on the ICE FX broker and the leverage is 1 to 300 and this is running on MT4. This account has been going for almost 5 years now and it started off at $500 and is currently up at $6,000. But don't forget the vendor also took out $4,000, so about $6,000 profit for this particular account. This one has a double tick verified and is live connected. So these are actual real updates that you can see here. In terms of drawdown, the vendor has had about 23% drawdown historically, and more recently the vendor has been trading quite conservatively compared to her original aggressive strategy. So her drawdowns are much lower now at a maximum of 5% recently in about mid-April. In terms of trade statistics, they are very similar to mine. Her average win is $8, whereas her average loss is bigger than her average win, which is the same as mine. And her average longs is at 72%, whereas average shorts one is 75%. So very similar to mine. In fact, her longs and short ones is slightly above mine. Now, the vendor does currently have 3 open trades of the Aussie New Zealand. 2 open trades of the Aussie New Zealand and 1 Aussie CAD open, whereas in my account on Go Markets I don't have any open trades. So you can see because we are on different brokers, we have different open trades and different trading results as well. From a yearly return perspective, back in 2018, you can see the vendor was fairly aggressive and made between about 6% and 12% returns monthly. In 2009, the returns seem consistent between 5% and 14% monthly. But if I go straight to 2013, you can see the vendor has become more conservative and the returns are around between the 1 to 2% monthly. If you've liked what you've seen so far in this video and my analytical style to robot trading, please hit that like button so I know that this is the kind of content that you want to see. There has been some strange volatility and movements in the market, which is why I wanted to make this video and take a look at their charts and see what happens in terms of huge trends like we've seen recently in May of 2023. I'm here on my VPS, which comes free for 6 months when you buy an expert advisor from Valerie. And this is the MT4 terminal trading the Waka Waka, and whoops, look like I am caught in a lie. Before, when I checked the account, there were no trades. Looks like 2 trades have been opened recently from the time that I checked the account and from the time I started recording this video. This is a Go Markets account, so you can see the spreads are reasonably good on the 3 currencies that the Waka Waka trades. For the Aussie CAD, generally it's under 1 pip, between 6 to 10 pips. Let's take a look at the charts, which is why I wanted to zoom out and show you them in a big picture scale. You can see usually the New Zealand CAD, which I've got here on the 1 hour, it fluctuates back and forth quite well. And when you see that there's a sharp move, generally it pulls back reasonably quickly. More recently, see this move right here. There has been a massive sharp move in the market, and then we've seen a big trend with not many big pullbacks. Now, my account has been fairly lucky. Let me zoom in. See this big trend here where it started. So my account on the Go Markets Plus broker, so this one entered right there at the top, which is a buy trade, and you can see the market is going down. And this one is a dollar cost averaging, i.e. grid, slightly martingale aspect. So I am trading at 0.01 lot size, and as the price moves against you, you can see that the lot size starts to increase. Here he's got 0.08, and the biggest here that I've seen is 0.112. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades open in this move here. And if we zoom in really close, you can see it exited at a profit right at the top of this bar here. So because my broker's spreads are reasonably good, it came out with a profit here. If I didn't come out of profit there, I imagine it would have come out profit here. So other people who have brokers which with different spreads, or it is commonly known that different brokers will have different bars as well. Other brokers may not have a bar like mine, and they might have different bars, which will result in different results. So for my personal trading account, my trades did come out of profit there, and the price kept on going down, but you can see that my EA continued taking buy trades. So this second group of buy trades was here. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades it took, and right now it is back in profit, and it closed all 4 trades there, and the biggest lot size that I saw here was 0.04. So again, you can see where it's taken profit right at the tip of that bar. And it does look like the New Zealand Canadian might be coming back up for a reversal trade. We will see how that pans out. But this is just one account that I have. Let's take a look at another account that I have. This MT4 terminal I have here is on the Lux Raw FX demo broker, and this is the broker for the Concept Trading prop firm. I am using the Waka Waka on the Concept Trading prop firm, which is an Australian-based proprietary firm where I'm trading the premier prop accounts. The beauty of this one is that there is no time limits, unlike FTMO and other prop firms where they really want you to fail. This one, it is fairly simplistic. There is no drawdown limits, no time limits, and no minimum number of daily limits. The one rule is don't hit the maximum drawdown, which is 10% for the director intern, which is the challenge that I've undertaken for a $5,000 account, which can scale all the way up to $1 million. And I paid $497 for this challenge. Anyway, back to the account. You can see this one has different open trades. We've got 1, 2, 3 Aussie New Zealand trades and a 1 Aussie CAD trade. So I am emphasizing the fact that when you see different brokers, you'll get different bars and consequently different indicator settings, which is why you will see different trades on different accounts or trading the Waka Waka EA. The spreads for this broker isn't as good. You can see the spreads for the Aussie CAD and Aussie New Zealand. They are above 1 pip, and New Zealand CAD is reasonably high at 22 points. So we know that the spreads is not good. What about the trades on a chart? This is the same period that you saw on my Go Markets account, and you can see the same sharp trend downwards where the trade has taken place. And similar sort of trends, you can see it took the first buy trade here during a sharp move downwards. And the same with my Go Markets account. There was a sharp downwards move, but I'm guessing the spreads at this time probably widened. That's why you don't see a trade in this sharp move there. But as it reached the bottom, the spreads must have come back to normal, and you can see trades being taken as per regular with the EA. And in this case, again, even though the spreads are not as good, the bars are sort of similar in their structure, and this bunch of trades took out profit at around there. And it continued to take some more buy trades similar to my Go Markets account, 1, 2, 3, 4. So same sort of scenario. And again, that one took profit almost at the exact same spot as my Go Markets account. And historically, the trades have been going pretty well on this account, which it's not as old as my Go Markets account, because I have only been undertaking this challenge for about 2 weeks now. I've been very conservative on this prop challenge, and I've only made $36. And on my main Waka Waka account that started off at $500, the settings that I've got is 0.01 starting lot size. And if I continue straight down, you can see the rest of the settings which I have obtained from Valerie's My FX book links in the dashboard. And this is the dashboard that I'm talking about. If you go on the left to My FX book and go to Waka Waka, these are the two links to the My FX book accounts that Valerie has. And this right here is the settings files that I downloaded and I'm using for my own personal trading. I have been keeping an eye on the Telegram chat recently, and I noticed some people have different settings than what I do, different brokers, and consequently different results, and some of them are in fairly high drawdown. I've shown you 2 of my personal accounts on different brokers and Valerie's own account, which all are trading well. We don't have any large drawdowns, but as you can see, we have different open trades and consequently different results. So I understand why some people may have different results and have bigger drawdowns than what we have. Unfortunately, I don't have access to everybody else's account. I only have access to mine and what Valerie is sharing publicly. Even though the Waka Waka EA is really good and has 5 years track record of forward live testing, I still don't give all my money to this EA. I split my funds into 5 different accounts on different brokers, and I give each EA a small portion only to ensure that I am diversified in terms of risk, expert advisors, currencies, and different money management strategies. I am a random crazy person on the internet with absolutely no credibility, so you shouldn't believe anything I say. Always do your own testing, research, and analysis. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.